Now we're coming to pitch number 3, and that will be no one else than Clyde. Welcome. Welcome to today's pitch. I'm Radek. We are Hub 71 Capital Markets startup. We operate across 2 offices, Singapore and Abu Dhabi. And we offer institutional and individual investors to discover and buy alternative assets in our platform. We also offer asset managers to bring their deals and their assets to our platform and find the liquidity for it. We have a license in Singapore dealing in securities and a tech startup license in EGM. And our mission is to widen the access to as many investors as possible to the alternatives. We have been largely bootstrapped, but they also raised VC money. So one of our investors is the DIFC and Visa to buy fintech ventures and the Purple Ventures. So alternatives. Nowadays a very topical thing. It's a $10 trillion market. $1 trillion is the private debt, so income alternative investments. But they have a lot of problems. You never know for how much you can buy, how much you can sell it. Very fragmented market, highly intermediated, with a lot of, we call them fee extractors. But there's a lot of good in alternatives as well. Like in the market crashes right now, when everything is falling, alternatives are the savior. But unfortunately, most of the investors are missing out on alternatives. So here comes our two-sided platform. We let investors buy into the specific deals, and then deals are productized through securities, privately placed securities through our platform. We are the first asset manager on the platform, and as we are data-driven investor and data geeks, we chose consumer and SME loans portfolios to collateralize them and offer them as an income investment. How do we do it? So we let the asset manager discover the deal and the asset. We take it to the platform. We produce investable assets, securities denominated $100, and then we distribute the assets to the investors, to the pool of private debt funds, family offices, high net worth investors, hopefully in the future banks as well. Then the asset manager is monitoring the deal, and we are dealing with all the payouts and all the redemption for the investors. As I mentioned, we are data geeks, and why we like SME loans, because there are tens of thousands of individual loans and a continuous data stream about the performance of these loans. And we monitor them, we upload them to our system, and we are very accurately able to know how much cash is coming from these 50, 100,000 loans. And against that cash, that allows us to create great investment products. We are 2 years in the operations. This slide is a bit outdated, so we have less than 10 million outstanding investments. We have 21 million of the signed term sheet investors, and we have additional 95 million of yet to be invested opportunities, which are distributed across 43 deals. Our investment performance is looking very good on the contrast with the public markets are doing. So while the high yield bonds market is minus 20%, we are year to date, actually this month, 9.5%, annualized 11.4%, which speaks for itself. Our team, credit risk specialists, investment bankers, data geeks, we are very proud of our credit risk team, which are the grads from the physics and math degrees with additional quantitative finance. So we like data, we like data-driven investing. And why I'm here, why I'm talking to you, so we have a branch here in Hub 71 in Abu Dhabi, but we would welcome deeper cooperation with local investors, asset managers to come to our platform, bring their deals on the platform, invest through a platform, invest through us, use our platform as a white label, connect through APIs. So there's a lot of things where we can cooperate. We have a booth here in the startup section, booth number 2. So feel free to come and speak to us. Thank you.